Hi, I'm Enchanting Nubianette. Welcome back. And if you're viewing my channel for the first time, welcome. In December, just before the holidays, the body of 50-year-old Laura Hughes from Runnymede, New Jersey, was discovered inside a refrigerator in BellePlain State Forest, Cape May County, New Jersey. The refrigerator was wrapped in a sleeping bag covered with carpet and secured with blue ratchet straps. Authorities have charged her boyfriend, 45-year-old Christopher Blevins of Gloucester City, with disturbing and desecrating human remains and hindering apprehension, meaning Blevins allegedly transported Hughes' body to the forest and fled to Mexico, where he later surrendered to authorities. He told police that he was involved in a violent incident in Runnymede and have unalived someone in a bar fight. You know, her ex-boyfriend was violent towards women, extremely harmful, plus he didn't have not an ounce of integrity whatsoever. Laura Hughes moved to New Jersey from Virginia in 2023 to be closer to her two daughters, ages 18 and 13. She envisioned a new life for herself. Basically, she planned to start her life on a positive note. Now, online, there's joyful images of Laura Hughes with her eldest daughter after the graduation ceremony. And I really wonder, how in the world did this man communicate with her? Did she contact him, or was he stalking her or finding out her information? I really would like to have more background information. But what a tragedy for this woman to pass away by herself, outside, alone in the forest. Investigations suggest that Blevins transported the refrigerator to the forest in July 2024 and fled to Mexico in August. He later surrendered to authorities in Mexico City, claiming involvement in a violent incident in Runnymede. The couple reportedly had a history of domestic violence, drug and alcohol abuse. Currently, no charges have been filed concerning Hughes' passing, but the investigation is ongoing. Additionally, 46-year-old John Terrell, who allegedly discovered the body, has been charged with obstruction after refusing to cooperate fully with the investigation. Now, I wonder why he would withhold evidence or information that he knows. I really would like more background information about Mr. Terrell. Now, Hughes' family has initiated a GoFundMe campaign to cover cremation expenses and support her daughter's education. This is horrible. Allegedly, she had experienced lots of pain and turmoil while in a relationship with Christopher Blevin. According to the news reports, the violence escalated from a shove, hit, punch to her passing away because there was a lot of substance abuse involved along with the violations. Laura Hughes' family is mourning her loss, and relatives again have set up a GoFundMe to help with funeral expenses with support of her daughters. If you can, please help the family. It's a heartbreaking situation, and thankfully, the law enforcement caught her unaliver, and that caused her demise. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a million, and stay safe wherever you are.
About a murder mystery in a state forest after a woman was found in a refrigerator days before Christmas. The body was found in BellePlain State Forest in Cape May County.
Yeah, police identified that woman as 50-year-old mother of two, Laura Hughes from Runnymede. NBC 10's Yukari Nakayama just spoke to her family, and she joins us live. Yukari, how is the family doing?
Yeah, well, right now they're doing the best that they can. I'm told that Laura Hughes moved to New Jersey 2 years ago from North Carolina to repair her relationship with her two daughters. That time to mend those relationships taken too soon.
First, it was shock mainly. I didn't really want to believe it at first. But when it settled in, it was a lot.
Giselle Elston is still trying to wrap her head around the death of her mother, Laura Hughes. Police say she was found stuffed in a refrigerator in the BellePlain State Forest in December. The last time Laura's daughter saw her was in June for Giselle's graduation.
She seemed to be fine. It was my graduation, so everyone was a bit emotional. There was nothing wrong. Ryan wasn't there. It was just her.
The man she calls Ryan is Laura's boyfriend, Christopher Blevins. He's facing charges for transporting Laura's remains to the Cape May County Forest. Police documents indicate cameras captured his green Dodge Ram transporting what looked like a refrigerator days before he fled to Mexico in August. He turned himself in to the authorities in Mexico City a couple weeks later, stating that he was involved in a violent incident in Runnymede, New Jersey, and that he may have killed someone in a bar fight. No one has been charged in Laura's death yet.
Do you think you'd be capable like her?
At first it was kind of unbelievable because of being around him, but do you really ever really know a person? It's hard to accept that.
A lot of questions still remain, but at the moment, Laura's girls are focusing on the great memories they had together.
She was a good person at heart, no matter what struggles we went through with her.
Now, those girls tell me that they're focused on healing from this loss. I am told that the person who alerted police about Laura's body, his name's John Tyrell, is also facing charges for not handing over his phone for this investigation. I'm also told that Blevins is still not in New Jersey as of yet here in Camden County.